says, "Hi, this is Pastor Alavaso. I have a message from you." I said, "Yes, let me tell you what we're doing." I explained the whole thing to him again. And I said, "Would you be willing to rent us your church?" And he said, "I'm sorry, brother. Can't rent you my church." My heart just broke. And I thought, Lord, you said you would supply. And as I started thinking that, he told me a story. He said 20 years ago, our church was in the same position, looking for a church that would take us in, that we could rent. And somebody opened their doors and took us in. And I told my wife that if anybody ever came, when we had a church of our own, and asked if they could rent our church, we would say no. Because someone was good to us. We were going to be